Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make red lobia. First, you'll need to soak 1 cup of red lobia in 3 cups of water overnight. This crucial step significantly reduces cooking time and makes the beans much easier to digest. Once soaked, make sure to drain all the water and rinse the lobia thoroughly under cold water before moving on to the next step. This ensures a clean and fresh start for your delicious dish. Now let's cook the lobia. Transfer the rinsed, soaked lobia into a pressure cooker. Add 4 cups of fresh water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a small pinch of turmeric powder. Close the lid and cook on high heat. Once the first whistle blows, reduce the heat to medium and let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Allow the pressure to release naturally for perfectly tender beans. Next, we'll prepare the flavorful masala base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté 1 large chopped onion until it turns golden brown. Then, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until its raw aroma disappears. Now, stir in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1½ teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Cook for a few seconds until fragrant. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add the cooked lobia to your prepared masala, mixing everything well so the flavors can meld beautifully. Let it simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the lobia to absorb all those rich spices. For an enhanced reading experience, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Garnish your delicious red lobia with fresh cilantro and serve it hot with rice or your favorite roti. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.